Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Share Life. And if you are new to my channel, I'm based in Sydney. My name is Eva, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And in this video, I would like to share the new mini wallet on chain with you guys. And today I have this beautiful mini wallet on chain with me. It's in quill green caviar leather with silver hardware. And in this video, let me give you a bit of idea first. I would like to show you all the detail of the mini wallet on chain. Second, I would like to show you the regular classic wallet on chain. And also, I would like to share with you the square quilted wallet on chain. And last of this video, I will show you how do I convert a small O case into a crossbody bag. Please stay watching. This beautiful mini wallet on chain is in 20B season. At the back, it has a zip pocket here. At the front, it has a CZ logo. As I said, this season only has silver hardware and quilt design, snap closure, and in this area it has 5 card slots. Inside has 2 bigger compartments. This compartment has 1, 2, 3 card slots here. And then the front compartment, and there is a zip pocket here. You can keep your coins here. And this season, the serial starting 30. And there's another hiding slot here. The design is quite nice since there are so many card slots and compartments, but it doesn't fit large phone. And I got an iPhone X, but it doesn't fit in. So just for your reference, if you want to put your phone inside, it doesn't fit. And I would like to show you when I put it on my body, how does it look. As I promised, a lot of people, they actually message me through IG, want to know how to convert a small O case into a crossbody bag. I'm going to show you all in this video, and this one is the outcome of what I did. And I actually put a hook here, and let me unhook this for you to see. I actually purchased silver hook, which is matched the CZ logo and the hardware color, and I have to open up the zip to the end, and then to pop this hook underneath through up here, and then screw it back. So this is how I do it, and then put this chain on here on the zip tip here. There is a hook here, and then the other one, which is for this one. So this is how I do it, and I'm gonna show you a detailed photo of how I convert this one. which is the black and silver hardware as well, and the hook is like that. When I go down to unscrew it, okay, it has two versions like this. Okay, unscrew it. Look at this and this. Now I'm gonna open up the zip to the end, and I need to put it here, the little hole through here. Okay, the underneath part has come out already. Then I put the screw back. Okay, twist it. Make sure until you can't twist anymore, then it's done. And actually they provide some glue, but I didn't use it. I don't want to have a very fixed. Okay, now the outcome is like this and this. And I bought the matching chain with it, and I just need to hook it up now, and the outcome will be done. I hook it here, and at the zip tip, and the other one I just hook it here. I got the classic wallet on chain here in black caviar leather with the gold hardware. Interior has a zip pocket here. You can go through down to the bottom. But usually people said they will put receipt there, like bill, that kind of thing. At here, there is a coin section here. So here, it can fit quite a lot of coins. And there's another flat pocket here. Let me show you inside. Inside is in a burgundy color interior with 6 card slots here. And at the front here, also it's got another pocket. So there are a lot of pocket. 1, 2. The third one is the card section. 4. Here you can put passport, small leather good like flat card holder, lip gloss, lipstick key, that kind of thing, and 6 card slot here. At the back, it has a pocket here. You can fit travel card. And now I got the square wallet on chain next to it. I would like to do a comparison between them. And the front, obviously, this one is longer, this one is shorter. And I'm gonna measure for you how many cm shorter each other. So the classic wallet on chain is 19 cm long, and this one is 17 cm long. For the side, this one, the square one, can fit much more than the wallet on chain, the classic wallet on chain. Let's see side by side. This one has 2 sections here, it can expand, but this one only 1 section here. Even you expand, the wider is about 3 cm. But here, if you expand it, the wider can be 7 cm roughly. And the height is This one is 13 cm. And this one is 14 cm. So it's 1 cm taller. At the back, this one, the square one, doesn't have pocket. The classic one has a pocket. For my suggestion, personally I think there's a pocket is better, but square one doesn't have back pocket. And one thing's different is this one is a snap closure. It closes automatically, but the classic one, older version, is snap button. Okay, and now the newer model is snap button already, as well as the price already increased. And for the chain, I'm gonna measure for you how long it is. And for the square one, it has a leather strap here, but the classic one doesn't have any leather strap. It's all chain to the end. Okay, doesn't have leather strap. Okay, let me measure the drop for you. So it's about 55 drop for the mini square wallet on chain. And this one, let me measure, it looks longer. So what's the cm there? 60, which is 5 cm longer. So I'm gonna do some model shoot for you guys to see. This one must be shorter and this one must be longer when it is on my body. I'm 158 cm tall, and please keep watching.